Hello students, welcome to Mithu Maths classes, and the question of the day is, let fx be a function x cube minus x square plus x plus 1 and gx is defined as the maximum of function t where t lies between 0 to x. For all x lying between 0 to 1, your gx is defined as the maximum value of function t. And if it lies in between 0 to 1 and when x lies between 1 to 2, your gx is defined as 3 minus x. Now you have to check this function for continuity and differentiability. So first of all, we are going to define this function gx, and gx is defined as the maximum of the function t. So first of all, let us check the maximum value of function fx. So your fx function is x cube minus x square plus x plus 1. For finding the maximum value of fx, you have to first take the first derivative of this function, and the first derivative is plus 1. Now you have to check the maximum value of this function for critical point. Now the critical point is not required because this function is always positive. As ये जो डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन है that is a quadratic function, is a quadratic function with coefficient of x square positive, coefficient of x square positive है and the discriminant is negative, and the discriminant of this quadratic is negative. That implies your derivative function is always positive for all x. For all x, your derivative function is positive. If derivative is positive, that must imply that fx is an increasing function. And if fx is an increasing function, then your gx is defined a maximum of t when t lies between 0 to x. When t lies between 0 to x, your ft will lie in between f0 to fx, and the maximum value of this function will be fx. So gx is defined as gx is equals to the maximum of ft, and that is fx. So your gx function can be defined as your fx क्या हो जाएगा, x cube minus x square plus x plus 1 when x is lying between 0 to 1, and 3 minus x when x is lying between 1 to 2. So let us check. Now your gx function is defined. Now you can check this function for continuity first. Now since your between 0 to 1, between 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, your gx is a polynomial function. Therefore, it is continuous and differentiable in this. That implies gx is continuous and differentiable in this interval 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So you have to just check your function at x is equals to 1 only. So check gx for continuity at x is equals to 1. तो आपका फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस कब होगा एट x is equals to 1? जब लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट and right hand limit equal होगी. So let us take left hand limit first. Left hand limit is limit x tends to 1 minus f gx and 1 minus में 1 की लेफ्ट साइड में your gx is defined as x cube minus x square plus x plus 1, and this is when x is equals to 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is equals to 2. Now take right hand limit. Now right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus gx, and to the right of 1 your gx is defined as 3 minus x. So this is 3 minus x, and this will give you 3 minus 1, that is 2. Since left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that implies your gx function is continuous at x is equals to 1. So gx is a continuous function. आपका x is equals to 1 पर भी ये continuous है. Now let us check your gx function, whether your function gx is differentiable at x is equals to 1 or not. So check gx for differentiability at x is equals to 1. So let us take left hand derivative first. Left hand derivative will be limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h upon h. Now your limit h tends to 0, g1 is equals to, when x is equals to 1, your g1 is equals to 2 minus g of 1 minus h is to the left of 1, your function gx is defined as this, 1 minus h square plus 1 minus h plus 1 upon h, and that is equals to limit h tends to 0 to minus 1 minus h cube minus 3h plus 3h square minus 1 minus h square plus 2h plus 1 minus h plus 1 upon h. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out, and 2 and minus 2 will also cancel out, and you are left with limit h tends to 0 h cube, h square की टर्म्स आ जाएंगे 2h square, so minus 2h square. Now h की टर्म आ जाएगी minus 3h minus 4h plus minus 2h, so plus 2h upon h, and this can be written as limit h tends to 0 h square minus 2h plus 2, and this will be equals to 2. So left hand derivative is equals to 2, and right hand derivative is limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f1 upon h g of 1 plus h minus g1. So limit h tends to 0 g of 1 plus h. So 1 के right में your gx is defined as 3 minus x, 3 minus x, and g1 is 2 upon h. Now this will be equals to limit h tends to 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 will cancel out. Then minus h upon h will give you minus 1, so this is minus 1. Since left hand derivative is 2 and right hand derivative is minus 1, so they are not equal. That implies your function gx is not differentiable at x is equals to 1. So you can say that your function is continuous in the whole domain 0 to 2. but it is not differentiable, it is differentiable everywhere except x is equals to 1.